Good morning, everyone. Happy Vlogmas Day 7. Does it feel like Vlogmas is flying by? Because 7 already? Gee whiz. Currently walking Nala before work. Today is my Friday. So yeah, today is my Friday. It's the longest day of the week, but it's worth it because then I have 2 days off. And Blake and I decided on what we're doing on our day off together, and it's gonna be so fun. So I think tomorrow I'm probably gonna do a little Christmas shopping, and the day after we're gonna do a really fun thing, so be ready for that. And yeah, I feel like it's been a great December so far. I definitely want to do more Christmassy things. I haven't seen like more than like 2 Christmas movies so far. Alright guys, gonna open the advent calendar real quick before work. Alrighty, day 7 is Happy Little Bird. Luckily I can use this flap to give myself some leverage, or maybe not. Let's see. Sorry, Nala loves to drink a lot of water, if you can hear her. You know what? No, I don't want to take it just in case that's the wrong door. Okay, let's do this again. Need something. Here we go. Okay, this should be good. Okay, here's my dilemma. Is this one for 12? Or is this one for 7? Or is it for 10? Let me feel. 12 doesn't even have one. Alright, I'm gonna just go with this one and hope that that's the right one. 11 doesn't have one either, like, guys. And this one has one. Okay, I'm gonna slide this. I'm guessing maybe this one is for 12. I don't know. Eventually we'll get to all of them. Okay, so I hope this is number 7. Okay, this is Christmassy, guys. How adorable is a snowman? Yay, we got an actual pair of Christmas socks from the Christmas calendar. So cute. Alright friends, just got to work, so I will be here until tonight. So anyway, wish me luck. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you tonight. So guys, I just got off a long shift at work, take a shower, and come out to find Nala eating my shoe. So I yelled at her, and this is what she's doing. She's hiding under the bed from me. And I don't even care because she's 2 years old and should not be eating shoes anymore. She's not a puppy dog anymore. She's not a puppy dog anymore. She feels so guilty, but I don't know why she still eats the shoe. Blake caught her eating it this morning too. I'm watching the Mandalorian, eating some candy, got a sleepy dog, happy husband. He's so happy. Thank you everyone so much for watching today's vlog. It's actually Vlogmas Day 8 right now. I already started my next vlog for the day. But last night I was so tired, I literally passed out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be so fun because today I'm going to go Christmas shopping. So I hope that you all enjoy. And anyway, I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!